The 31st of March. It's 5:15 p.m. Quarter to 6 in the evening. We're just going to do a daily analysis, starting with the US 500 daily. If we get rid of this and we'll zoom out a bit, we can see that overall we're still quite bearish at the moment. We can see that we've broken out of this trend line where it's perfectly hit 4 times, and it's kind of dipped, touched it, and then gone out. So, quite possibly in a ranging to maybe even a bullish uptrend. We'll just have to wait and see. And then, quite similar to the US 30. You can see that we've broken this trend line, and it doesn't look like it's holding back just yet. Because we're trading the London session, all these really big moves are not happening as much as it would in the New York session, so kind of just waiting to see what happens. Zooming in a bit closer, we can see where we are here in comparison to areas of supply and demand. So looking at this section here, for if it goes up and comes back down, so looking at like that, or if it does come down immediately, looking at this area here to then go up. So it's kind of one of those wait and see. You can see this is kind of zoomed quite in. I've got these blue bullish trend lines in. It does seem that way, but at the moment it is hard to tell whether we have in fact broken through, because we can quite see a collapse which hasn't happened in a while. We'd have to go back a couple of weeks since one's actually happened. But looking in closer at the 1 minute, you can see that I've got 2 alerts, one for supply and one for demand. And at the moment, from the London Open, we're just kind of just ranging at the median. And if we go to MT4, we can kind of see what I've got set up here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horizontal lines set up there. And what I've done is that I've got that and copied it into this here. And so if we run our eye through, we can see this is all the areas of demand. 1, 2, and 3. They're quite strong areas of demand, so they're quite good places to buy. And then exactly the same for selling. So you've got one here, you've got another good one here, and then there is this bit of gap where it's hard to really find anything. I think we have to zoom out and to go all the way back here to kind of find this area here, which isn't, you can't see that. So that's kind of what I've got going on here. It does look a bit of a mess, but it makes sense to me, and that's really all that matters. Currently, if we zoom in, we can see that it does look like it's coming down a bit, but we're just going to react accordingly, and that's kind of the plan going forward. I'm going to get in, I'm going to hold, and basically see what happens when I wake up tomorrow morning and see if it's gone through, or if we get in here, and here, and happens to completely go against us, then we'll just have to react accordingly to that. So that's kind of what we're looking at. So yeah, have a good day. Thank you.